1.9 times 1.2. So I don't like the decimals. I'm just going to rewrite it out here and you'll see why. I don't like the decimals, so I'm just going to imagine they're not there. And I'm going to do 19 times 12. I can do that in a little grid. So we've got 19, which is 10 and 9, times 12, which is 10 and 2. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 9 is 90. And 9 times 2 is 18. And then I need to add my answers together. So I've got 100, 90, 20, and 18. So 0 add 0 add 0 add 8 is 8. 9 add 2 is 11. Add 1 is 12. And 1 add 1 is 2. So that's 228. So the answer to this is 228. Now I need to think, well, what did I do to get from 1.9 to 19? Well, I times that by 10. And what did I do to get from 1.2 to 12? I times it by 10 again. So I times both of those things by 10. I need to undo both of those things. So I need to divide by 10. And then I need to divide by 10 again because we've done it twice. And that should get my answer. So 228. Do a little place value table. So here's my decimal point, and we're going to divide by 10. So the 2 is going to go here, but then I'm going to divide by 10 again. So I'm going to end up with 2. 2 is going to go here, 0.28. Just going to go off my table, so 2.28 is my final answer.